Just add it to the dang list.
Really good right now. You're like the epitome of what a mom wanna look like.
Alright guys, I'm gonna give y'all a wavy hair tutorial that literally nobody asked for. I barely just recently started to actually like take care of my natural hair again, because when I first met Anthony, that's like the only way that I would wear my hair, is like my natural wavy curly-ish type thing, like with mousse and stuff. And I don't know why I stopped. Like I just quit doing it, I guess. And then when I started hanging around Alicia, she always wears her hair natural and curly, and it just kind of inspired me, I guess. All I do is when I get out of the shower, I like basically don't even dry my hair. Like I squeeze everything out of my hair, but I don't like fully dry it. And then I go in and I brush it, and I put in this curl cream by Shea Moisture. So it's the curl enhancing smoothie, and I just get some of that. And I also do this in like 4 sections. So like I do 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. So basically I rub this all throughout my hair. One thing that I don't like though about this curl cream is the smell. So now there's that. Also, I usually would like use like a wide tooth comb. That's what I used to use, but Elias lost it and I don't know what he did with it. So I have to use my regular brush, but it's okay. It's not the end of the world. And then I put a little bit of mousse. This one is the Maui Moisture Hairstyling Flexible Hold Coconut Milk Curl Foam Mousse for dry curly hair, because my hair is definitely always dry, because we all know by this point that I'm always dehydrated. And it's probably because I'm always drinking coffee, and even though I don't drink nearly as much as I used to, because obviously I'm pregnant, so like I can't have coffee, I'm still dehydrated, and it's so hard for me to drink water. I even got like the little squirty things to like put inside of it and everything, and it's still hard for me to keep up. It's how it looks when it's like completely wet. Can you guys see that? And then I'm gonna do literally, oh, I forgot a step, hold on. I also spray this in here. This is the Hold and Shine Moisture Mist for thick curly hair. It's anti-frizz, moisture and shine, and it's color safe, which is good. But this is also by Shea Moisture. It's the same line as the curl cream that I have. So I spray this instead of hairspray, and it's like not, it doesn't make my hair like crunchy. It's really hard to spray though, because I have like all these products on my hand. And then I get my microfiber towel, which is, it's like a hair wrap or whatever, you know, one of those like little turban things. I got like a pack of 3 on Amazon. But anyways, I get this and I just scrunch my hair and hold it just a teens, just a little bit. I literally do that for like the other 3 sections, and then that's literally it. And then I do like 1 big overall spray, 1 overall scrunch, and so on, and then that's literally it. So all right, let's do this section. Last section. Oh, there's a hair in my eye. All right guys, and that is literally all that I do. If you guys have any recommendations on something that I could be doing better, please let me know, because I just started getting back into the game of like wearing my hair natural. I have not been taking very good care of my hair, and that's so bad of me, but I'm tired of wearing it in mom buns all the time. And this is like, if this is my natural hair, it doesn't take heat, it doesn't take anything like that. So anyways, yeah, I want to start taking care of my hair again. So I will show you guys obviously later once it dries and everything, but right now I'm about to do my makeup. Alicia is supposed to be here shortly. She's doing a photo shoot for me today. So I'm actually 20 weeks pregnant today. So we're gonna do the half-baked photo shoot. So yeah, I'm so excited about that. I think it's gonna be so cute, but I need to hurry up and get ready because Elias is sleeping, and he's already been asleep for like an hour, maybe long enough for me to shower and do my hair and get dressed. So yeah, Anyways, I'm gonna do my makeup really fast. Okay, so I am now ready. Anthony just came home, so we just all ate lunch and everything, but Alicia is still not here. I need to change the lights in here. Alicia is still not here, and she was supposed to be here at 12 and it's like almost 1, and she's saying that it's still gonna be a little bit before she can get here, but I really need to go grocery shopping. So I'm about to get Bubs ready, and then I called my mom to meet me at Walmart because I have to go like full on grocery shopping. Like I'm talking like drinks, meals, snacks, like literally everything. I was going as long as I possibly could without grocery shopping this time because there's foods that like I don't normally reach for. So I was like trying to force myself to like eat those foods, you know, to like completely clean us out. And then now it is time for a full restock. So I want my mom to go with me so that way she can help with Elias while I grocery shop. But right now I'm about to get Bubs dressed and then we are going to head out. Guys, guess what? I got a new tripod. That's right, I got a new tripod and oh my god, my tire's on 11. Gosh dang it. Y'all, I'm gonna have to go get a plug in for my tire. Just add it to the dang list. I've been having to put air in my tire like pretty much every day for the past couple of days, and Anthony literally put air in my tire yesterday. And it already was on 11 whenever I got back in my car today. So that means that I'm gonna have to put air in my tire. I mean, not air in my tire. That means I'm gonna have to go and get a plug because that means that I have a nail or something in it because it's been slow leaking pretty much every day. Anyways, so now I am on the way to Walmart and I'm gonna have my mom. That man is jogging and he's basically naked. This is still shaky. I hope this isn't like too shaky for you guys, but anyways, my mom is meeting me at Walmart. We're gonna go grocery shopping, get a bunch of food, get some snacks, get some meals, all that kind of stuff, and then later hopefully Alicia comes over because I don't know what's going on with her, but she said that it's gonna be a while before she can come over, so we'll see. But anyways, yeah, let's go grocery shopping, I guess. We got the cool buggy.
Tell mama, give her thumbs up.
Can you do thumbs up? I've been trying to teach him that, and every time he goes, like he tries so hard.
That. Thumbs up. Look. Thumbs up. You ready?
You ready to go?
Throw up your hands.
Say, oh yeah. Which one do you want? Look, there's Spider-Man, Cars, or Woody.
Which one?
Which one? Pick one. You want Woody?
Woody. Okay.
Are you driving, baby? What does the truck say? What does the truck say? You're not gonna do it because I have the camera? Every time I pull out the camera, he stops. I didn't get nearly as much as I thought I was gonna get, but now I have to go find like a sports bra type of thing because I said I'm 20 weeks pregnant today. So Alicia's gonna do my half-baked photo shoot. That's so cute. Wait, that's adorable.
That one's cute too.
Oh, I love that. Oh, it's so little.
She would need 3 to 6 months.
That's so crazy. But anyway, so I'm doing a half-baked photo shoot, so I have to get a like sports bra thing because I'm wearing like my mom jeans and I'm gonna be sitting on the floor. My vision is for me to be sitting on the floor and then have like a bowl of like baking stuff all next to me and then have like my pants unbuttoned so my belly's out and then have on like a white, gray, or black sports bra. So I guess we're gonna see if they have one. I'm looking for like a Calvin Klein styled one of some sort, something like that. All right, so I just kind of touched up my makeup a little bit, and this is the little sports bra thing that I ended up getting. It's a Hanes one, and then I'm wearing my pants. They're like the mom pants or whatever. They're like really baggy, and I'm just gonna unbutton them, and you guys will see the whole process. But right now, Alicia is about to be here, and I need to set up the lighting. So let's do that real quick. I have like the big soft lights things or whatever, but I'm just gonna put up 2 of those, probably one on each side. And I'm thinking I'm just gonna sit in this corner over here and just have like a bunch of baking stuff around me. I even got like the half-baked ice cream at the store, so maybe we could do something with that. I don't know. We're kind of just gonna play around and see what ends up happening. But yeah, this is the belly. She is growing so fast. I just put oil on and then, like I said, touched up my makeup and stuff. So anyways, I want this to be a very like simple photo shoot for the most part, but still cute. I just want like maybe 2 different poses or something. Nothing too crazy, because with my maternity photo shoot last time, that one was there was so many different poses and stuff that like it was so much to go through, and I didn't even end up posting them all. So with this one, I just kind of want to make it short, sweet, and simple. So anyways, let's set up the lighting before Alicia gets here. Okay, I have 3 lights, but I think I'm only going to use 2 of them. I don't really think I need a 3rd light. We'll see, but I think I'm just going to use 2 of them for now. Just on a whim yesterday to completely rearrange my living room, because I really want to get a dining table. And the reason why is because Elias has like the little table, like the kids table, and every time that there's food on there, my dog thinks that it's hers. So she keeps going and taking his food whenever I'm not looking, and we can't like sit down as a family and eat because we only have like bar height stuff. So like before, that table that's under the TV was behind the couch right here, and we had our chairs right there, and that's where we like ate dinners like that. But for 1, there's only 2 chairs, and for 2, it's bar height, so it's too tall for Elias. So I ended up moving the chairs to the island, which those are not going to stay there, but that's just what's going to happen now. And then I moved the table right here as an entertainment center, because I also didn't have one of those, and it kind of just worked out, because whenever that table, the wood table, was behind the couch, Elias would climb on the couch and knock everything off anyways, so I literally couldn't keep anything on the table, and it was just a headache. So it actually works out that like I needed an entertainment center, and that one works perfectly fine. And then now we can get a dining table and eat as a family, so that way Elias can sit with us and eat dinner, and Heidi won't be able to reach his food. So it's a win-win. But now I have to buy a dining table, but so this is like a big open empty space right now, but I do plan to fill it with a table. I just have to find one. I think there's one at Home Depot that I kind of like, but I'm worried about the quality, but we'll get to that later. This is what they look like without the soft thing on. So this is like a lighting version right here, and it has like reflectors on that side, and then it has like this little cover thing that makes it a soft light. So I used to use these way back when I did makeup videos, and this was in my setup. But now your girl does not have time for makeup, and so these stay under my bed until I'm ready to do a photo shoot, and then I whip them out. But I definitely am happy that I bought them, because these are a lot less harsh than a ring light. So I love to have them, but I don't need them on a daily basis like I used to.
She knows that she is just on display right now.
We've already been taking pictures, and I forgot to vlog, but yeah, here you go.
They look so good.
I'm so excited.
I'm ready.
Do I need to move the picture at all? Or maybe flip it around?
Yeah, flip it.
Like that, or on this side? I can flip it to the other side too if we need to.
Yeah, go ahead and try that. Oh, okay.
I
Volume.
flip both sides. That's why I flip it, because I like the volume. But if I just like part it, then it looks weird.
Just trying to make it look worse. We're really good right now. You're like the epitome of what a mom would want to look like. Not that all moms don't look good, because they do. But like I can see you on like an action or something.
That's so sweet.
And don't be thinking I just gassed you up because we're friends. Like, I'm honest. Like, yeah, that's not really too good.
I hope so.
think of her. You're already thinking about how you look. Yeah. Think of your baby girl who is just.
I'm thinking about how in this ultrasound she has a horn.
She has a what?
Look at her
A
picture.
horn. Is that her hand?
Yes. And it's like.
See, she's already playful. Love to see it.
See your little toes.
Yes. Oh my god. I can't wait till she comes out when you're in the hospital.
I know. It's the best feeling, like when they lay your baby on your chest. It's
Yeah,
just
I can
like
only imagine.
I've made it. Like I'm here. I'm good.
Hear all that hard work